How are we doing today on this fine, what day of the week? Thursday morning. I'm going to explain to you how I made a little over $2,000 on the day trading the Nasdaq. So for invalid symbol, this symbol doesn't exist. All right, guys, video over. The fucking S&P 500 doesn't exist, bro. What is this, bro? Are we trolling? Oh, hell nah. Can I go to... Oh, hell... Bro, we're cooked. We're done for. We're okay, bro. I don't know why. Maybe if I exit out of replay. Okay, the S&P 500 is gone. You guys are just gonna have to bear with me here talking about S&Ps. But okay, first things first. When we came into pre-market, I do my pre-market analysis for free every single morning on my Discord, by the way, so you should probably join. I literally said I wanted buys. The reason that I wanted buys was because on Tuesday, I said that we were definitely going to sell off and not take all-time highs for the sole reason that we had all these unfilled imbalances right here, and we did exactly that. Right? We corrected the market and we moved higher a little bit. Okay, so we had Asia lows from earlier in the day that got taken pre-market, and what I said was that I wanted London highs for the sole reason that we didn't have any sell-side draws below. It was literally, the next one was 150 points away. Okay, actually even more since market opens, like over 200 points away. We are not going towards that because we don't have anything below it either. Okay, the closest thing we had are these relatively equal lows, which is probably what we would have been at the end of the day if we did move short, and that is like 400 points away from where we're at. It's just absolutely not worth it to even look at that. So let's talk about the actual trade itself. Like an ES doesn't exist. Okay, we immediately opened bullish and then it immediately came down, and I said that we would do this on live for the reason that we had to come down and take imbalances, fill them before we moved higher, right? I was even looking at a pre-market trade where we had some type of SMT in here, and you would have taken it off of a 5-minute inversion, set your stops here, whatever, blah blah blah. You would have gone break even on that trade, but I didn't take that because it was pretty close to market open. We also inversed this like 5-minute right here on this closure. Could have taken it, but I said that like no, we might come down and, get break even, which I would have gone break even at these highs, which we did. I didn't take the trade though. So let's get into the actual trade that I took. So we had developed an internal SMT right here and this place higher, but we didn't place off of anything. That's why I didn't take a trade. Okay. But we did form a 3-minute fair value gap right here, which we retraced into very nicely and formed very bullish. Look at this bullish candle. Insane close. I'm going to show my executions for you guys right here. Let me turn it back on. There we go. I took it a little bit lower than the candle close because I kind of pre-fired it for the reason that ES was just moving like a maniac. ES was just pummeling towards the upside, and NQ wasn't moving. NQ didn't even move in the slightest, bro, for like a couple of seconds. So I just took the chance. Like in those 4 seconds, we really weren't going to be going down. It was a discretionary play. And I took my profit at London highs, which confirmed my bias to be moving bullish even more when we retraced nicely, so nicely into this 1 minute and then just closed bullish. Such an easy trade on the day. Was absolutely textbook as fuck, bro. Oh my god, and the price action was so clean. I made 2,100 some dollars. You'll see in the title, and I mean it was just textbook. I literally pointed it out. I said what I wanted to happen. It's just, this is what trading is. This is what profitable trading looks like. And this is how it feels to make money on the day. I also want to break even at these highs right here because it was a prominent draw on liquidity. So that's probably worthy to point out as well. And I know what you're thinking. Yo, extra, if you want to break even at these highs, when you have... Wait, no, I'm actually stupid. I wouldn't have gone take it out. Forget everything I just said. Yo, extra is not a smart dude, bro. Yeah, I want to break even at these highs and profit at London highs. Easy ass textbook trade. Price now retracing lower. I don't know what it's doing. I don't really want to know what it's doing. I don't care to know what it's doing. It's just doing its thing. Made our money in the day. Good stuff. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.